If you want to change the look of an image within Google Slides, then you can use the Recolor option from the format options right here. So I already have an image on my Google slide. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the format options, and over here on the right side, you can see that Recolor is a format option that you can choose. So I'm just going to expand this out, and here you can see that there's no recolor applied whatsoever right now. But if I were to click on this, you have various options that you can choose from. So you can go around and choose this, as you can see right here. So this is one way to keep it, but if you were to mix out some, let's say for example, recolor option, I'm just going to go around and copy paste this around by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And if I were to keep this on the top, and I can select another, let's say for example, another effect right here, or I can select another effect like this, or another effect like this. I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to crop this one out. So if I were to crop it, since I have two images, one on the top and one on the bottom, you can see that this is how it looks like. Similarly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste this around. And now for this one, let's just go over here, and then I'm going to go for no recolor, and I'm going to go around into crop image, crop it from the top just like this. And now you can see that this is how it looks. And that is how you can use the recolor and use crop to make it even more interesting inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.